everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these products right here, but let's go and get right into this. So first of all, let me go ahead and show you this. It comes with this, and it is a, what is it called? So it's an Ergonomic Diamond Painting Pen. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. Look how cool this is. So it comes with a little user manual like this. It'll show you how to use it. So it comes with this right here. It comes with these two as well. I'm gonna start off with the number, like just one, because if you're just starting off, that's what you're gonna start off with. And with this, you're just going to wrap it around this metal part down here. You let it stick out at the end. So then you're going to stick this in here, and then you're going to twist it. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut this right here. So just like that. And then this is what makes it sticky. So you're just going to grab this. You want to take one of the plastic pieces off. I usually just peel it back a little bit, and then you're just going to push down and get a piece in there, just like that. And just put it back. So now that that part's done, it also comes with this right here, which these are crocheted bookmarks that they actually sell as well. We're not going to actually be using this for this today, but I thought they were just super cute, and I had to show you. How cute is that? That's a little bookmark. So you have a rat, a little bunny. My kids are going to love these. I'm actually going to give them to my kid for school because I think these are really cute. And then a frog. Look at how cute that is. So my kids are going to love these, and I just think that's so cool. Now here is the main product right here, which is going to be the little kit that we're going to make stuff with. I'm going to show you everything that comes in here. It did come with like a glue stick, in case you want to use that. And then it comes with a little pig that you can do, a zebra, a kitty cat, a little monkey, a bear, a little elephant with a heart, a little rat, and then a lion. Little sticky thing, you're going to peel this up, and underneath it, it's going to be extremely sticky, and that's what the little diamonds are going to stick onto, which these are the diamonds. So you can like hot glue these. That's why it came with the glue stick onto here, and then put it in like your plants or something, which is a really good idea. It did come with this as well, which is the same thing. So it's pretty much like one of these. So you could either use this one or this one. This one's just going to be a lot more comfortable for you to use. You're going to have more control and everything while using that. And then you're going to put your beads in this, and this will kind of help you keep everything organized. It came with some more of this, which I'll put over there. And so you'll put your beads in there and start using that. And then these are the different colors, which they are all labeled. So if you see something that says like M, then you'll look for M on here. So that would be your M, O, T, and then so on. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like actually making one of these. Okay, so this is my daughter, and this is what it looks like completed. What do you think about that?
I think it's cool.
You like it? She has actually been wanting to do one of these, so this was perfect. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.